In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make your Wix website look great on all screen sizes. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website you want to edit from your dashboard. Once the editor loads, click Design Site to begin working on the layout. First, review your website in the desktop view. Go through the main pages and look closely at how each section is arranged. Check that your text is readable, your images are aligned properly, and your buttons are placed where visitors can easily find them. If anything looks off, make those layout adjustments before moving on. Next, click the mobile view icon at the top of the editor. This will switch your site to the mobile editing view, where you can see how your content appears on smaller screens. Open each page one by one and review the layout carefully. Pay close attention to text blocks, images, buttons, and spacing between sections. If an element does not display correctly, reposition it or resize it so it fits the screen better. Make sure text is easy to read without feeling cramped. Adjust images so they do not appear cut off or too large. Move buttons into clear positions where they are easy to tap. If there are elements that do not work well on mobile or are not necessary for mobile visitors, you can hide them from the mobile view. This helps keep the page cleaner and easier to navigate. Be sure to use this only when it improves the mobile experience. Continue by checking important interactive elements like your menus, forms, galleries, and buttons. Confirm that each one displays properly and works as expected on mobile devices. Navigation should feel simple, and visitors should be able to complete actions without any confusion. This is important because you want both versions of the site to look polished and functional. When you are satisfied with both layouts, click Preview. Use this to test your website in both desktop and mobile views. Look for any final spacing issues, alignment problems, or display errors that need to be corrected. Once everything looks right, click Publish to make your responsive design changes live. Your updated site will then be ready for visitors on different screen sizes. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.